Hi guys, I'm just going to reiterate kind of the directions again for today to make sure that if you had any questions on all the steps, this video is here to help you. So remember the agenda for today is to read the nonfiction article and do the activity that goes with it. And then when you're finished with that, you will do SSR as well. And then at the end of class, you're going to complete the sub-rubric and turn that in with your honest score from how you did today. Okay, so to start out, I'm going to work on accessing, opening the article. The link is found in Canvas. So I'm going to go to Canvas, and remember it is in modules. Then it is, if you scroll down, it's under Power of Reading, Nonfiction Article. And then you will click Actively Learn, and it will take you to the Actively Learn webpage. Okay. Once you're there, you guys can click sign in now because we got in yesterday through Google Classroom, remember? Sign in with Google. Pick your account. I'm going to use 5th hour as my example. So then you will see all of these articles. If you guys remember correctly, you will only have to read one of these articles. So to determine what article you read, go back to your green task list and find your title. Okay, so if I am reading Red Glass, then I'm going to read the Newsela article that's Here's What's Happening with Kids at Our Border policy-wise. Or if I'm reading, The Hate You Give, it's also a Newsela article and it says 5 years on, recalling Trayvon Martin and the birth of Black Lives Matter. So once I'm in Actively Learn, I'll click whatever article it is that I am supposed to be reading based off my book group. Now, once I have that article open, I am then supposed to complete my green pre-reading strategy page and my packet. So if you open up your green packet, you will see this nonfiction reading before you read strategies activity. And the first one is preview and set a purpose. So I'm going to write in the title that I'm reading. So if I'm reading the Trayvon Martin one, I would put that in there. Okay. Then it says name 3 things you notice about the text when you preview. So if I'm previewing this text, I'm simply just skimming and scanning and listing 3 things that I noticed. So for example, 1, I noticed there's some protesting. 2, I noticed it's taking place in Florida. Okay, things like that. Okay. I'm going to go through and answer my preview and set a purpose questions, and then I'm going to scroll down and write in what my prior knowledge is about this topic. So since it's not really a story, it's about a topic. And here we're talking about Trayvon Martin's case, but also Black Lives Matter. So what do I already know about this topic? I'm going to list 3 things. Okay. After I have answered those questions, then you'll see that my next step is to just simply read the article and answer the questions that are in the article. So Actively Learn will put questions in there for you. So as I'm reading, and I scroll down, if you see a highlighted text and you kind of hover over it, you'll notice that there's like a little bit of a direction here for you. So it says, please highlight and define. So I'm going to highlight and then highlight. It keeps going away. Click define, and it will define a quit for me. Okay. That happens a couple of times. If you keep scrolling down, you will see that you will come across questions that you'll be able to answer as you read. Okay. After you've completed that, all of the questions, all of the reading, it'll let you know when you get to the end. Then you're going to do SSR to your new stopping spot. And remember, those new stopping spots are found on your task list. Okay, so go back to your task list, look for your new stopping spot. Okay. And then last thing, please make sure that you complete the sub-rubric and turn it in before you leave. So your substitute will hand out the sub-rubric to you as well, and you will read through each of these and decide how you did. Circle 1 for each SOAR category: self-discipline, ownership, achievement, respect. Remember that if you had a hard time, the substitute can find your paper and change your score if needed. So please be very honest. This is just meant to give you positive feedback for how you did with the substitute. Have a great day, guys.